Tyler. Atta boy, first cast. There's Mikey Didy reeling one in. Oh, heck yeah. First cast. Should come here first. That's why I say that first one I caught had some good color to him. Oh, you got like a nymph on there? He's got him. He's figuring it out. You don't know what to do. That didn't take you long. There he goes. Sure that one hit the water above us? Somewhere. Something hit up above it. Another rainbow. Right? Big red stripe down the side. It's a bigger rainbow. It's March, what the heck is today? 25th? March 25th. I'm out here on the Cohocton River with Mikey Didy and we're hammering them. I can't believe it's a, I didn't know they put rainbows in. See if we can lose them messing around with them. Have a little fun with them. Whoop, get the leaves off his head. See if we can do the handless catch and release method here. It's like all of a sudden the weather, the temperature got right or something, you know? Because now we're hitting them. It's March 25th. Down with my partner, Mike Didas, fishing the Cohocton River. And had a little luck so far. I'm going to test it out and see if we can get some more. Fishing an artificial lure section only. And I think our plan is to release them all. I may keep one for my mom. But so far I have not. And, we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. There you go. Oh, fancy. Oh, that little nymph you had, but something under the surface, and yeah, maybe that fella. Whatever that is. Oh, that one looks kind of like a grub, doesn't it?
This one?
Yeah. Look at that guy worm. Oh, wax worm looking thing.
You got this one?
You started out pretty hot in here, Didy. First cast, bam!
Nothing else since. Nothing after that.
Or a little rainbow. Spinners. Real slow. Yeah, like, and just reeling it slow. Oh, he's a lively one, Didy. He's a lively one. Alright, we're gonna wrap her up. I think I caught 4 pretty good sized ones, probably 13, 14 inches, and then another 6 or 8 littler ones, maybe 8 inches, and Mike caught a big brown, and we let them all go. So that's gonna be a wrap for today. See if it's worth making a video out of. Okay, bye.